Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming physical connections and power. It avoids wasted steps. Once done, open Settings then System then Sound, or right-click the speaker icon for quick access. Choose the correct output device because Windows can switch to HDMI or Bluetooth unexpectedly. Set volume around 50 to 75% to test clearly without distortion. Make sure any mute toggles or keyboard function keys are not engaged. This establishes a reliable baseline before tweaking drivers or enhancements. Next, address the software layer. Open Device Manager and update or reinstall the audio driver to resolve compatibility problems. Once drivers are current, go back to Sound Control Panel, pick your device, then Properties to set the default format. Start with 16-bit, 44100 HC, or match your content to avoid clicks and pitch issues. Disable audio enhancements to remove unwanted processing, and only enable spatial sound when supported by the hardware. These steps fix most playback quality and latency issues. Finish by calibrating levels per application. Open the volume mixer and ensure app sliders are up, then test with different players to isolate software-specific problems. Run the built-in Windows Troubleshooter for automated fixes, and check device properties for exclusive mode settings that let apps take control of audio. If problems persist, try a USB audio or Bluetooth adapter to determine whether the internal sound card is failing. This single hardware swap often proves whether the issue is driver, software, or hardware related.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.